Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these Solar Firefly Pathway Lights. These are really neat because you can actually just set them up outside and let the sun charge it for you. They come in a pack of 4, and they're really quite interesting. They've got the solar panel at the top here, so you could just face that. It moves around all over. So you face it whichever direction the sun is, and then there's your base of it. And you've got this little key thing right here that takes your 8 bulbs and brings them down, so then they can move freely in the wind. So you can adjust these however you want them to go. They will move, so if you want to kink it a little way, it'll actually kink with you. And then we just let the sun go with it. We're going to go outside and poke them in the ground across the pathway, and then we'll check them out tonight and see how they look. So to use these, you actually can do them at different heights. This is an extender piece, so if you want it to be higher off the ground, you just put the stake on the extender, and then you put it in here, so you can have them up tall, or you can not use the extender piece and just put the stake directly in there. So I'm going to use it this way, because I'm just going to poke them right in here into the ground. And then we need to remove off this plastic piece, so that way the solar parts can get into the sun, and we will face it the direction that the sun will come. Today's a really cloudy day, so we're going to see how these things do in the clouds. So on the bottom here, whenever you get them outside, just make sure you power it on, and then you can adjust your settings and brightness levels. All right, I've got all of them in. These are IP65 waterproof, windproof. They're going to work real great out here. I'm excited to see what they look like. So here are these lights at night. They have different settings on the bottom. There you go, dimmer. And you can actually turn off the bottom light there. And then the little setting button changes the different bulbs at the top to make different light features. So that's really fun that you can actually tell it what to do throughout the night, and you can have them all going and flashing or kind of pulsating on and off. And that is just a fun little feature for all these little lights.